Explain this to us, Mr. Welch. What is going on?
Yeah, so basically Ford is canceling their plans to build that factory in Mexico that drew so much ire from President Trump, both during the campaign and after he was elected. And they're going to build the cars in China, so Trump's not getting the jobs here, and they're going to import some from Europe. And meanwhile, they're investing a lot of money in their large SUV plant. So a couple of things going on. You see where the market in the U.S. is, big SUVs, crossover SUVs, stuff that makes a lot of money, and they're going to make the large Expedition and Lincoln Navigator at the plant in Kentucky. And then you will see passenger cars, which Americans don't want, are going to be imported from someplace else, now China.
Yeah, so if we can take my terminal, we have a map on the Bloomberg, actually, of where Ford has manufacturing plants all around the world. And you'll see there are quite a few of them there in North America. There are about 3 or 4 in Mexico and about 3 or 4 over in China, and they have some going over into Europe as well. So David, is this just an extension of where they were headed already, or could this be attributed to the new CEO? We just got a new CEO within the last month. Is this part of his shaking things up, or was this in the works quite a while?
Well, it's a bit of both. So they've been moving production of small cars and passenger cars that don't make a lot of money out of the U.S. to wherever they can get cheaper labor costs, and it's typically been Mexico. But they would have to have invested a lot of money. We're talking, close to $1 billion to build that plant in Mexico. It was going to be even more expensive than that before. Mark Fields, the former CEO, had actually pulled back that investment. Instead of making a new plant, he was going to expand an existing one. What Hackett has done is come in and said, look, small cars don't make money. Why are we putting new investment dollars there? Let's just build them in Europe, where we already have production for those cars, and in China, where we need them as well, and not spend any more money. So the $1 billion they're saving is on capital they would have spent building new plants on cars that don't make any money in the U.S.